let's factor this fully. So we're going to use the factor theorem. Okay, we're going to test some numbers, positive or negative 1, plus or minus 2, and so on. But looking at this, these are all negative, so positive wouldn't help. So we're going to try negative 1. So negative 1. Okay, so this one is 1. This one is negative 1, so that cancels out. Then you have minus 13. That's plus 25, minus 12. So you see that's negative 25. So that's equal to 0. So that means x plus 1 is a factor. In that case, we're going to divide by 1. So we're going to use synthetic division. Divide by 1. So I'm going to using this method, minus. I'm going to subtract. So 1 and 1 is 1. 0. That's 0, negative 13. 13, subtract. That's negative 12, and that's negative 12, so 0. So now the quotient is x cubed minus 13x minus 12. So we're going to do this again. Well, let's find one that makes it 0. Well, if x is positive, this is going to be negative. So if x is negative 1, we have negative 1 plus 13 minus 12, that's equal to 0. So x plus 1 is also another factor. So we have this, right? And we're going to use synthetic division once more. So we have 0, 13, negative 12. And we're going to use 1. So again, that's 0. Oh no, that's negative 1. And then that's going to be negative 1. So subtract is negative 12, right? So you have 0. So the quotient of that is x squared minus x minus 12, and we can factor this ourselves, right? So the final answer is x plus 1 squared times x minus 4 times x plus 3.